Buying a rental that covers the mortgage sounds smart? You already own your home. Now you're considering buying a rental home that will cover the mortgage payments. However, that rent only covers the mortgage plus taxes, plus insurance. You still pay all other expenses out of pocket. Imagine buying a $500,000 rental property with a 20% down payment, $100,000, and your tenant's rent fully covers the mortgage, taxes, and insurance. So you break even each month and also build equity as the loan gets paid down. However, you're not cash flow positive. You're contributing approximately $701 per month to support the rental for repairs, maintenance, fees, and other related charges. Even without cash flow, long-term benefits add up. Watch appreciation, loan paydown, and selling costs shape your equity trajectory. After 40 years, you end up with about $1.18 million with a 3% yearly appreciation, but subtracting $336K of rental cost for 40 years and after paying selling costs. Now let's compare to investing your same out-of-pocket cost of $701 per month into a 401k. Set your monthly 401k contribution to $701 and let compounding work. In a 401k, that same money grows to nearly $245 million with only a modest 8% yearly compounding interest in 40 years. In comparison, after 40 years, rental investment will generate about $118 million net after subtracting $336K or $701 times 40 years. 401k about $245 million. So after 40 years, the 401k actually has more money. Why? Pure compounding beats property appreciation over very long horizons. When the mortgage ends at year 30, rental income becomes profit. From years 30 to 40, rental cash flow totals roughly $180,000. Equity plus cash flow creates your total real estate outcome, which is still a good nest egg for the future, though will not be as good and stress-free in comparison with investing in a 401k. Key takeaways: horizon matters. Cash flow arrives later for owning a home after mortgage is paid off, but investing in longer term wins. After 40 plus years, 401k wins by approximately $1.27 million, in contrast to investing in a rental property even after the mortgage is paid after 30 years. Follow for real estate and investing comparisons that actually use math. Tell me another scenario to break down by leaving a comment below. Thank you for watching.